In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Facebook Marketplace not showing up on your device. If you've been frustrated by this problem, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process to get your marketplace up and running again. First, let's start by opening your Facebook application or navigating to the Facebook website on your internet browser. It's always a good idea to make sure you're logged into the correct account where you'd like to access the marketplace. Once you're happily logged in and ready to go, we'll dive into the settings. Now direct your attention to your profile. You'll need to click on your profile icon, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen if you're using a web browser, or at the bottom on mobile. Once you've accessed your profile section, take a moment to scroll down if necessary until you find the settings option. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. After entering the settings, your next stop is the tab bar. This can be found by looking through your settings menu. The tab bar is essentially where you can fine-tune and customize your Facebook interface, and it's crucial for resolving our marketplace visibility issue. From the tab bar section, focus on finding the option that allows you to customize it. This feature lets you move around and tweak your shortcuts. Click on Customize the bar and prepare to adjust which features show up on your default Facebook view. Okay, now that you're in the customization section, look for the marketplace option. It might not be immediately visible, so be sure to scan through all the provided options. Once you locate marketplace, select it. You're almost there. To ensure marketplace appears right on your Facebook tab bar, you have the option to either pin it or set it to auto. Selecting pin guarantees that marketplace will always be displayed prominently on your bar for easy access. Auto, on the other hand, allows Facebook to decide how prominently to feature it based on your usage habits. By following these steps, you should have resolved the issue of Facebook Marketplace not showing up. If you're still having trouble, consider updating your Facebook app or clearing the app cache, as software hiccups can sometimes cause these features to misbehave. Additionally, you could check your internet connection or try logging in from a different device to rule out any device-specific problems. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you resolve the issue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.